Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can create a calming weaving that really ties in some fun social emotional learning components. So weaving is naturally calming on students because it's a repetitive pattern that helps our mind to relax. So I like to do with my students is I have them create positive affirmations on papers, and then we go ahead and we weave them into our own papers. And you can do this as a group activity, especially in a small group. You can also do it with students in a whole group setting, but I'm going to show you how to make an easy paper weaving. You can weave with string and encourage students to make connections to their emotions as they tie the colors together, whatever they're using. But using paper is a really economical way to create a weaving. So the first thing we do when we create a weaving or a background, we call it a loom, is we fold our paper in half, and I'm using a regular 9x12 construction paper. You can use printer paper, whatever you have. And then we're gonna cut lines from the bottom of the fold, that's the middle of the paper, to about 1 inch away from the end. If I'm teaching younger learners, what I do is I fold their paper at the top, and that fold tells them where to stop cutting. And I don't wanna do a whole bunch. I always tell my younger learners to start in the middle and then cut a few lines to the side. And you can make this as complex or as easy as you would like. And there we go. So I just cut a few pieces, and this is going to be the background for my weaving. So now I have all of these slits in between, and this is going to be super easy because I only have 4. So then I can calmly take my weaving and I practice the pattern over, under, and I can slide it down. And then I do the opposite going the other way. And you can see here, I've written some positive affirmations that really encourage your students to think about some self-awareness. And to make it a weaving, we do the opposite when we do the next string. So for this, I would do the same as the first, over, then under, then over, then under. And again, I slide them down as I go. So however you go about this, or however you choose to do it, if it's as a group, you can have your students practice weaving in as a small group. If it is as an individual lesson, then you might need to help your students with the weaving. As they get the hang of it though, it becomes very repetitive and therapeutic.